Hello students, in this video we will discuss about different shortcut keys of MS Office with the help of control button. So now start with the MS Word. So here is the list of all the shortcut keys with the key combination of control and from A to Z. So we will discuss one by one. Firstly, we are going to discuss the first one, that is control plus A. So whenever you are just going to press control plus A, then effect will be select all. So I have already typed these three paragraphs and I am pressing control plus A. So what will happen? Whole paragraph is selected. Second shortcut key is control plus B. It means it makes the selected text bold. So suppose I have selected this text and I am pressing Ctrl plus B. So what will happen? It is just selecting the text and make it bold. So again I am pressing Ctrl plus B, so it will come back in the normal position. Control plus C is very frequently used command and it is used for copy. So if you wanted to copy any text document or any file or any paragraph or any single text, so you can do with the help of Control plus C. It is often used with the Control plus V. So Control plus V is the shortcut key of paste. Control plus C is used for copy only. So Control plus C and then I am just pressing Control plus V. So how you can type up to so many times by using Control plus V to the same selected text. Now move to the next, that is Control plus D. It is used for to open font dialog box. It means suppose I have already typed this paragraph and I wanted to do some formatting. So to open font dialog box, we have to press Ctrl plus D. So this dialog box will come where you can change the font and font style, font size, font color also. You can make underline style. So here are the options of formatting with the help of font dialog box. Then next will be Control plus E. It means to bring the text in the center. Suppose I have typed some text here. So I have typed MMGS and I wanted to take that text in the center. So what I have to type, what I have to do, I have to press Ctrl plus E. So what will happen? This text automatically moves into the center. Then next very useful command, that is Ctrl plus F. It means to find the text. So suppose in a very large scale of document where more than 100 pages are included and I wanted to find a particular word. So what I have to do, I have to press Ctrl plus F. So a navigation pane will open in the left and you can find any word. Suppose I have to find the word keep. So I need to type it here, KEEP. So here is the word keep. It is already highlighted. One result is shown. So one time keep word is used in my document, right? So this is the use of Control plus F. If I wanted to move into next command, that is Control plus G, go to a specific page number. Suppose in my document only 2 pages are there, but if there are so many pages, so what I have to do, I have to create that pages. So in the status bar it is already shows that you are on the page 5 of 5. It means in this particular document there are 5 pages and my cursor is on page number 5. Suppose if I wanted to go from page 5 to page 1 directly, So what I need to press? I need to press Control plus G. So Control plus G will open, and this was in front of you. You can type it here, page number 1. So what will happen? From page number 5 to page number 1, automatically I will move. So let's see this, and you can see I'm in the first page. So this is the effect of Control plus G. Control plus H is used for find and replace. It means, suppose I have typed something, a document which is more than 100 pages, and I have to find a particular word and I wanted to replace that word with another word. So what I have to press? Control plus H. So Control plus H, it means here what you need to find, and here what the word you wanted to replace with. So keep, this word is keep, and I wanted to replace with carry. So what will happen if I type it here, and if I press the replace all, that keep word is yes, all done, we made one replacement. This message is coming from the window. So that keep word is replaced by the word carry. So this is the effect of Control plus H. It is used for find and replace. Control plus I to make any text in italic format. Control plus J, it means justify text. So in the there are so many alignment in the MS Word. So you can align your text from left align, center align, right align, and if you wanted to make a justifying alignment, so you can press Control plus J, right? So this is the alignment. Suppose I have pressed Control plus J. So this is the effect of Control plus J. The alignment is automatically changed. This is the effect of Control plus J. So this it is used for alignment. Control plus K, it opens the hyperlink window. Yes, it is a very useful command. Suppose if I wanted to give any hyperlink in my document, suppose I have typed here MMGS, and I wanted to give a hyperlink on this keyword. Hyperlink means whenever I'm just making a clickable text, so it will transfer the commands to the particular document in which this MMGS link is created. So what will happen? I need to press Control plus K. So I'm just selecting this word and now pressing Control plus K. And now it is asking that this MMGS word is linked with which kind of document. Suppose I am making it with the paint, and now press on OK. So what will happen whenever I move my cursor to the MMGS word, and if I press it here, so I will move directly with to the that document which is associated with it, right? So this is the effect of Control plus K. Control plus L is used for left align. If it means if you wanted to make your text left align, so by default it is left, so Control plus L. So now it is left aligned. So this is the effect of Control plus L. Control plus M, it is a makes a paragraph from left. Control plus N is open a fresh new page. See the effect, Control plus N. Now a fresh page is open in front of you. So this is the effect of Control plus N. Then next is Control plus O. It means it will, this shortcut key is used for open any document which is earlier we have saved. So now press Control plus O. So what happened? Open dialog box is coming in front of you, and you can open one of the document from the following documents. Then Control plus P, it is used for printing. If you wanted to take the hard copy of your document, you can press Control plus P. Control plus Q used for To remove paragraph formatting, it means if you wanted to remove any kind of formatting which you don't like anymore, so you can press Ctrl plus Q. Then Ctrl plus R, same like left alignment, it is align the text in right direction. Ctrl plus S, it is very useful command. You can press Ctrl plus S, so that you can move into the dialog box of save as, right? Actually my document is already saved, so that why it is Control plus S is not working. It just spacing the, otherwise you can move to the Control plus S. Control plus T, it means it create a hanging indent. It means if I wanted to make a paragraph to the in this space is known as indent. So if I press it here, Control plus T, so what happened, already the indent is moving little, it is shift to the rightward, right? Then Control plus U, it is used for underline. It means if I wanted to make any underline on any document or any text, so I can press Control plus U, right? So this is the effect of Control plus U. Then Control plus V, which is already discussed with us, that is used for with the help of copy and cut command. Control plus X is cut. There is some difference between cut and copy command. It means copy makes the duplicate of that document which you are copying from one place to another place, but uh, cut command is used to just erase the from its original place and replaced with the target place. So it is the used with cut command. Control plus Y, it is undo redo command, and Control plus Z is for undo command. Control plus Z we earlier used as well. Control plus Z means if you wanted to reverse the last action, so what I have to press, I have to press Control plus Z. So these are the some shortcut keys which are associated with the Microsoft Office platform, and definitely it will be helpful in your coming lessons and in near future whenever you are working on MNE MS Office platform. So today's homework is you need to learn all these shortcut keys from Control A to Control Z with their effects. Thank you.